Alright, what's going on, guys? Tyler here. It's been a long time since I've done a video on here, so hoping to get everything going right. I've gotten out of fire alarms. I'm doing more of a weather equipment, and this is going to be a weather pro when it's done. I'll be sure to leave the progress up for you. So what we've got is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some stakes in the bottom of this, some pretty big size metal stakes. I'm going to take up at the top here, I'm going to knock a hole out the top of this, run our weather station on top. And what we got is we got a red light comes on when you plug it in. Then you got your USB cord comes down here to a rig, and then it comes into the computer to the software. I love Greek mythology papers, by the way. Just kidding. So let's take the cover off, and I'll show you what we got and what everything's made out of. I'm gonna try to attempt to do this one-handed, so bear with me here. And hopefully I can get it off this time, and I have to make 17 takes of this video. And, let me lift up on it here. It's screwed in, and then it's got these releases. There it goes. Alright. And so, I've got the LED here, and I'll show you what we got inside of this. Sorry, everything's kind of going sloppy. Alright, so what we got is we got the board that goes to the weather station itself. It's got the backup batteries in it. Got your connection board there. The USB comes out here, goes into the connection board, and the hard wires here, and then attaches down here, goes into a key switch. This stores data while it's unplugged or whatnot, and it's not on right now. It's running fully off the batteries, even though it's plugged in. And you got your antenna cord. So I'm gonna get the key, and I'm gonna cut this on and find the key. Some of this is parts of my fire alarm. I sold a lot of my fire alarm equipment on eBay, and then again, I am doing this one-handed, so bear with me. All right, so we're gonna cut it on. You heard the relay click. The red LED came on the other side of the metal box. This beats making stuff out of cardboard like when I was 12 or something. But anyways, okay, so we're up on the computer, and still showing dashes for everything. Okay, everything came up. It's nice 64 degrees outside. Wind information. Wind's really not blowing, but it gives you the information, and it records it in 5-minute intervals, which is kind of long. I think it can be set down. I'm still working on that. So I will be sure to put progress on this, and like I said, even though it's connected, I mean, I can disconnect it, and you get a little fancy thing down here that tells you when it's connected. Alright, it's disconnected. See, it says not connected. That's because I unplugged it down here at the computer. So I unplug it in, you can hear the relay click. But the same function works with the key switch, as you just and it's off. You can hear the computer making that sound. You can hear the relay click. Listen real carefully. There it was. And so I'm hoping to do this, and like I said, put some big stakes in the bottom, put the weather station on top. I don't think we'll have a range issue, because you always come back to get your probe. Think about putting a strobe or something on it. You got your antenna here. This antenna is not extremely powerful, but I mean, it is in my backyard, pretty good size acre yard, so probably roughly 400 or 500 feet away from me now, and it's getting data, as you can see, just fine. Direction changed ever so slightly. So this is my next project. Not really the only thing that I've got left of my fire alarm equipment is this here, and that's it. That's out of everything. So definitely doing away with some of that, and might as well keep 1 or 2 pieces of it. If anybody's got any ideas on what to add on this, thinking about putting an amber light, throwing a battery in there somewhere. I've only got so much to work with, about 4 inches depth, and plus you don't want to crush any of the wires on there. That's definitely a thing. Got the pull the LED back out so you can see how all the wires are ran. Got your antenna wire, soldered the wires on the key switch, and so I'm hoping to make this functional by the severe weather season, and get everything going by then, and hope to have it. Yes, I do drive a Honda, for all of you that are wondering. Yeah, I know it's not very manly. It is SUV though. But anyways, so I hope to have everything going, and hope to be putting progress on here, and be very grateful if you'd comment and do all your stuff and help me out here and see what we got to add on this thing. Thanks.